welcome back everybody. We got another product review for you today, and I'm very passionate about this product and excited to actually show this to you. So we're going to do an unboxing and then we'll see what's inside and go from there. So let me show you what it is first, and this is the company that's offering it. Okay, and let's take a look at what it is. As you can see by the name, you know what I'm thinking. I know there's your chocolate people out there, and then there's your vanilla people. I'm a little of both, but I'm really a vanilla person. Yeah, I am. When it comes to vanilla, you got me. You get my attention with vanilla. Okay, so anyways, as I try to figure out how to open this without damaging it, oh, it's taped on the side. Dummy me. Dum-dum. Alright, so there it is. So you open it like that. And it opens up like that. You got this. It comes with this. Right? We'll find out what all these things are in a second. You get a little... kind of... I'm smelling the goodies as it is. You get a little warming package. And you get the top to this. You're going to start to develop an idea what it is. That's real good. And you get this. I got to put glasses on for this. Okay, so first thing you're going to get is this. Then you're going to get this in the box. These are vanilla beans. This is a jar. And you're going to get this. I'm not sure. I'm assuming this is a funnel of some sort. We'll open that in a minute and look at it. And then you get the top to the bottle so you can cork it and seal it. And then you get a warming package. And let's see here. They give you a little bit of a... They give you a magnet. You can put that on your fridge, actually. It's telling you the homemade vanilla extract cheat chart. They're just giving you all the amount of alcohol for the amount of twofold. You got to read what they're talking about exactly in here. I kind of know what it is they're talking about, but you got to read, what they mean by it. So that's it. Just pause the video. You could read that. They give you a little sticker here. All right, so you want to take the sticker and then you would put it on the bottles, and then they give you a business card. And you get a couple of these stickers. Here we go. And this is what I'll put in my file cabinet. Of course, they give you a warming card, to explain to you how to make the recipe. It's relatively pretty simple. So what is this exactly? This is a vanilla extract kit. And basically what it consists of is the vanilla beans, the jar, and of course you're going to have to add your own alcohol. What I generally use for alcohol, now you could use really any alcohol you want to make vanilla. What I generally use is you could use gin. You can use rum, like Bacardi rum if you want to use. That's like 151. I would recommend a clear, or you could use like a vodka. And that's generally what I use. If you notice, vodka is usually used for extracts too because it has no flavor in it. And you don't want to tamper with the flavor of vanilla at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up, put that in there, and I'm going to probably use... let's see. We'll probably use gin because I don't have vodka. I drank all my vodka. So we'll put this in here and we'll put the gin in it. It's just open it up like this. Oh, that's good vanilla. Oh, that's good stuff. Wow. Woo! I'm getting buzzed from this one. Wow, look at the oil coming off of that thing. Wow. Whew, this is good stuff, guys. Holy smokes, look, my hands are soaked in the oil from these vanilla beans. I almost want to eat one. I might do that on camera. Yeah, I'm like a vanilla addict here. I love vanilla. Normally, to me, listen, what I do, this is what I do when it comes to making vanilla extract. There's several approaches to it. Some people tell you to use the whole bean, and generally, it just put the whole bean in there. You can do several soakings. There's a lot of vanilla for that little bottle too, by the way. It's going to be very concentrated. You could do several soakings with when you leave the vanilla paste on the inside of the bean. Or you could do like me. I extract all the paste from the beans normally, and then I make like either ice cream or vanilla milk or vanilla cream with it, and just kind of add a little sugar to that and just indulge in such a sinful way. But basically, to me that's like a waste to do that. But you could make the same amount of extract, a good extract, even after you remove the vanilla paste from the inside. So you're just as good on the inside of that. But we're going to, this was sent to me to do it this way. This is the way we're going to do it. I do have one or two more in here. I've got a bunch more. Man, they give you a lot of vanilla, guys. And let me tell you something. You see all those beans in there? That's enough to make like at least 2 to 3 extracts out of that. Once you drain it the first time, just fill it back up with alcohol. To let it sit on the shelf in a dark place for another month or two. It'll turn black again. Just keep moving it around. And you could get 2 or 3 extracts out of this. I'm going to leave one bean for myself because I'm going to indulge in their beans. I'm not sure if this is bourbon or what. This is a good one. Guys, look at that oil on my hands. Oh, that's good. Wow. It's almost naturally sweet. Woo! Vanilla is good stuff, guys. Okay, so this is gin. We're going to go with the extra dry. That's what I use for my martinis. Oh, this is... Now, it's going to take a while, so I'm not going to stay here and wait for this to actually complete itself. So it's going to take a long time, but maybe I'll come back in a couple of months and show you down the road. I'll make something with it. So let's see. Let's put this in here. Yeah, you probably want to put the handle on there first before you fill it with alcohol. Probably a good idea, but you know me. I'm always impatient. Then you go like this. Did I do it backwards? I'm terrible. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to do this. Okay, so it goes like that. So you got to put this on in a certain way. And I don't know what that way is, but as you watch me make a fool of myself. So it goes like that. You lift it up like this, and voila. And then you just take your stickeroni. I'm saving this one for myself. I'm going to indulge in that in ways you can't even possibly imagine. I am literally going to indulge. I want to read. This is Madagascar vanilla, but I don't know if it's the bourbon kind or... There's a couple of variations of it. This is good. This is literally got the oil on it. Man, that is really good. You make ice cream with this kind of vanilla bean? Wow. You're going to be spoiled. So that is what you would do with that. We're just going to just make sure there's no oil on it. We're going to pick off our deal here. The date is on there already. Believe it or not. But you could write the date on a bottle if you want. I'm just having a hard time with all that oil from that vanilla. I can't peel a sticker, guys. You ain't getting a sticker off on this. On camera, you're getting to see it live. Okay, there's no fakery with me. I do everything live. Here we go. So that's your sticker. We're going to just kind of lay it on like this. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely gorgeous. Yes. And that's what you'll get. Now, this is a beautiful stocking stuffer. In my opinion, what you just see me do is perfect. You don't need to buy, 1 pound bags of vanilla and buy the separate jars to make the extract and all that stuff. You could just buy this kit. You put the vanilla beans in it, add the alcohol. I use dry gin. You can use, I recommend actually using, vodka because I think vodka just gives the vanilla flavor a better flavor. But gin also works very good too. That's it. That's all you got to do. And then just keep it in your cabinet. And and you should be fine. Now, I'm not sure what this thing is. This is probably used to fill it. Of course, Look at this. Look at this thing, guys. Look at that. It's an Insta funnel. Ah, I like that. That's a great thing. So anyway, if you when you go to fill it up, don't do like me because I'm an impatient person. Just basically take your Magidjo, your Magadget here, right? Looks like this. Just bloop, pop it all out, put it in there, and then fill up your alcohol that way, and you should be fine. I didn't do that because you know me. But they give it to you anyway. This is a complete kit, and you can't go wrong. Stick one of those on your refrigerator, put it on the bumper of your car. My best advice is to actually use this for a Christmas gift, stocking stuffer if I were you. I think that's what it would be a great item to give away, especially to your grandmas out there, and you know how they like to do a lot of cooking and baking and stuff like that, and you need good vanilla extract. Don't buy that stuff in the store. That's basically that's all artificial, and it's really garbage, that stuff. Don't buy that. Make your own. It's not that expensive, and it's easy to do. You just got to let it sit there and wait. Maybe I'll show it to you down the road. Oh my God, these beans are so oily. It's I've never seen beans so oily in my life. And believe me, I buy a lot of vanilla. I buy vanilla by the pound. And you know, when the prices of vanilla go down, because they go up really high and then they go down really low. When they do that, I buy it by the pound, but I usually get either B or A, A grade. The A grade's really expensive, but I've never gotten vanilla bean where it was literally oily like that. Wow, that is impressive. I've got to chew on one of those a little later. So I'll wait until I'm relaxed. I'm going to be chewing on that vanilla bean. But anyway, guys, that's it. Definitely pick one of these up and give it as a Christmas gift. And, it's a good idea to buy now and wait for the time is right, and then you can use that as a stocking stuffer. What I'll do is I will leave a discount code in the description below and a link where to pick it up. You can give it a go there. And if you have any questions or you have any experience on making vanilla or know anything, even maybe you bought this before, I don't know, comment below. Leave your comments and your opinions on it, and we'll love to read your comments. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.